How to fix "Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time" in Rockstar Games Launcher. So if you want to fix "Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time" in your Rockstar Games Launcher, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with your search and then search for clock, or just simply go with date and time settings. Now turn on the option of set time zone automatically. Now open your browser and go to the official Rockstar Games website. Log into your account and click on profile icon, which will be on the top. I'll just simply go and log into my account. Once you've logged in, it will take it to your home page. Now go with your profile. Once you're on your profile, or you may also have an option of settings, you need to just simply click on settings. After going with your settings, you will find linked accounts option, which will be on the top. So in my case, I've not linked any account, but if you want to, then you can just simply go with your connections or linked accounts. You'll see the accounts that are linked with your Rockstar games. Simply unlink it and then link the same account again. That's basically how you can fix "Sorry, we are unable to handle your request" at this time in your Rockstar Games Launcher. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.